Now we will see how the student will answer the quiz questions from their account. So now for this, student should always log on to their classroom account. Open the URL classroom.google.com. Log on to the student account. Provide student username, password. So students can log on to their Google Classroom account and they can see their respective class. So students can click on their respective class. The computer science assessment posted by the teacher. So students can, after logging to their classroom account, just click on their respective classes. So here 12th class is the classroom. Under stream you can see the assessment, or otherwise in classwork also you can see your assessment. So two ways are there. So anyway, from any method you can go, just click on your assessment. Now you can see here name is computer science assessment posted by the teacher at 8:16, and you can see here computer science assessment Google form is there. Just click on that computer science assessment Google form, and now the student can answer the questions. So I am giving the answers here. Next, second answer. Next, moving to the third one, computer monitor is also known as visual display unit. CPU stands for central processing unit. Next, fifth question, name the screen that recognizes touch input is nothing but touch screen. So a student can check all these questions here. Star indicates mandatory. You can see here mandatory star indication is there for all the 5 questions. Maximum 10 points and maximum time 10 minutes. And the subject code, remember that student email ID will be recorded here. After verifying all these options, just click on submit. So once you click on submit, so your response will be submitted to the teacher, and you can, when you click on view score, so you can see the score, total score 10 out of 10 is the total points here. So your assessment is completed. So just you can close that document, and you can close that assessment document, and you can log out from your account. So your assessment is completed. So this is the procedure how to attempt your online assessment. So now again we will see the process. One more student is there. We are logging to the student account. Again I am repeating the second, as a student you can join to their account. So this process is for students, how they can attempt online quiz assessment. So log on to the student account. After log on to the student account, they can see their respective class. So after clicking on their respective class, they can see the assessment posted by the teacher. So you can see that assessment under stream. Otherwise in classwork also we can see the assessment, computer science assessment, both ways are there. So you can use any method. So even you can go to click on this computer science assessment, and you can click on view assignment. Then open the computer science Google form. So you can see here all the 5 questions, and you can answer the 5 questions. So provide the answers for the questions. So our questions are mandatory. You can see here asterisk symbol is there. This red color asterisk indicates the fields are mandatory. So that's nothing but student must and should submit the response for this particular question. After submitting all the questions, click on submit button, and you can see the click on view score, where you can see the score of this particular student. So you can see the score as 4 out of 10. So first question is correct, and you can see here second question, local area network, it's a right answer, but the problem is these letters are case sensitive. So if the exact answer is matching, then only the answer will be correct. So here this local area network, the correct answer given by the teacher is local area network. So here you are giving all lowercase letters. So as a teacher will provide all the possible combinations like smaller case letters, uppercase letters, and the starting letter as a capital. All the options will be provided by the teacher in the fill in the blank options, short answer questions. So that's the reason why these questions are error here, because the answer is correct, kilobyte is correct, but the problem is case sensitive. So in fill in the blanks, if it is matching exactly, then it will give the points, otherwise it will not give the points. So that's the reason all these three questions are wrong. So but it's generally here, this is a trial session how we are doing. So in exam, teacher will give all the possible options for fill in the blanks. So this is the result, and teacher can rectify these answers. They can change their marks also after verifying these lowercase letters. They can check and they can verify the option. So that option will be there for teachers, don't worry. So now close your computer science assessment. You can close your quiz form and log out from your account.